For millennia, humanity has gazed upward, captivated by the vast, star-speckled canvas of the night sky. The heavens have been a source of wonder and inspiration, but they have also harbored unimaginable dangers. From meteoric impacts to solar storms, the universe has repeatedly reminded us of its immense power. What if one day, the sky itself turned against us? What if humanity faced an unprecedented celestial threat, one that could change the course of civilization forever? A fragile shield. Earth's atmosphere is our planet's first line of defense, shielding us from the majority of extraterrestrial threats. Every day, our planet is bombarded by tons of meteoroids, most of which disintegrate harmlessly upon entry. Yet, history has shown us that this fragile shield is not invincible. The Tunguska event of 1908 flattened 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest when a massive explosion occurred in the atmosphere, likely caused by an asteroid or comet fragment. If such an event were to happen over a populated city today, the loss of life would be catastrophic. The dangers lurking in space go beyond meteoroids. Solar storms, massive bursts of energy from the sun, have the potential to disrupt global communications, power grids, and even satellite networks. The Carrington event of 1859 was the largest solar storm on record, causing widespread telegraph outages and auroras visible as far south as the Caribbean. In today's interconnected world, a similar event could plunge societies into chaos, crippling everything from financial systems to emergency services. The interconnectedness of modern infrastructure means that even a localized disruption could ripple globally, affecting food supply chains, healthcare systems, and international relations. The asteroid menace. While meteoroids and solar storms pose significant risks, it is the specter of a large asteroid impact that has captured the public imagination. 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 10 kilometers wide collided with Earth, triggering the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. This cosmic collision unleashed energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, creating tsunamis, firestorms, and a global winter that lasted for years. Such events remind us of the fragility of life and the thin line between thriving ecosystems and planetary collapse. Despite advances in asteroid tracking, the threat remains ever present. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office monitors near-Earth objects, NEOs, to identify potential hazards. However, even with early detection, the challenge of deflecting or destroying a large asteroid remains daunting. Efforts like the DART mission, designed to test asteroid deflection technology, are promising but not yet foolproof. Humanity's ability to respond to a sudden celestial threat could mean the difference between survival and extinction. Furthermore, smaller asteroids, often harder to detect, could still cause catastrophic regional damage, as evidenced by the 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor explosion over Russia, which injured over 1,500 people. The invisible threat of gamma rays. Beyond the tangible dangers of asteroids and solar storms lies a more insidious and less understood menace: gamma-ray bursts, GRBs. These intense flashes of gamma radiation, often originating from distant supernovae or neutron star mergers, could sterilize entire planets. While GRBs are rare, their potential impact is staggering. A direct hit could strip away Earth's ozone layer, exposing the surface to lethal levels of ultraviolet radiation and triggering a cascade of environmental disasters. Entire ecosystems could collapse, and humanity would face a fight for survival, unlike any in history. The unpredictability of GRBs adds to their ominous nature. Unlike asteroids or solar storms, which we can monitor and potentially mitigate, gamma-ray bursts offer no warning. The light from these cataclysmic events travels across eons, reaching us only when it's too late to act. This raises profound questions about humanity's preparedness for such an existential threat. Humanity's response. In the face of these celestial challenges, humanity has made strides toward preparedness. International coalitions of scientists and engineers are developing strategies to mitigate the impact of potential space threats. Early warning systems, asteroid deflection missions, and advances in space exploration are all part of a growing effort to protect our planet. Yet, questions remain. Are these measures enough? How can we foster global cooperation in a world often divided by politics and borders? And what sacrifices are we willing to make to ensure humanity's survival? Innovative projects like space-based observatories equipped with advanced sensors are being developed to track and analyze potential threats in real time. Governments and private space agencies are collaborating to enhance planetary defense measures. Meanwhile, researchers are exploring unconventional solutions, such as the use of lasers or nuclear detonations to alter the trajectories of incoming asteroids. The scientific community's determination underscores the importance of remaining vigilant against cosmic dangers. A test of resilience. When the sky falls, humanity will face its greatest test, a confrontation that will challenge not only our technological capabilities, but also the very essence of what it means to be human. The cosmos, vast and indifferent, has always been a source of awe, but it is also a reminder of how fragile our existence truly is. Will we rise to the occasion, harnessing the collective brilliance of our species? Or will we falter, consumed by the overwhelming forces that lie beyond our grasp? The answer to these questions does not solely lie in the vast expanse of the universe, but within ourselves. Our resilience, our creativity, and our unrelenting will to survive and thrive. Our resilience will not be measured merely by the strength of our machines or the sophistication of our technologies, but by our ability to come together as a unified global community. Overcoming spaceborne threats demands unprecedented levels of international cooperation, requiring us to transcend cultural divides, political rivalries, and economic disparities. It is a monumental task, but one that could determine whether we endure as a species or become a fleeting memory in the cosmic timeline. The challenges are immense, from coordinating planetary defense initiatives to building trust among nations that have historically been at odds. Yet, history has shown that humanity is capable of extraordinary feats when faced with seemingly insurmountable odds. The survival of our species hinges on this unity, a willingness to prioritize the collective good over narrow self-interests. This is not just a call to action, but a fundamental test of our humanity, one that will shape the legacy we leave for future generations. The call to action. Now is the time to act, to stand at the precipice of history and decide the legacy we leave behind. Investing in science, fostering international collaboration, and preparing for the unimaginable are not luxuries. They are the pillars upon which our survival depends. The threats from above are no longer confined to the pages of science fiction. They are tangible, formidable, and demand our immediate attention. To ignore them is to gamble with the future of humanity itself. By confronting these cosmic challenges with courage and determination, we can transform potential catastrophe into an unprecedented opportunity, a chance to showcase the resilience and ingenuity that define us as a species. This is not just about survival. It is about embracing the responsibility to safeguard our world for generations yet unborn.